Are you all Chenuka? Okay, Chenuka Pute, tell me, you know the vowels?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what are they?
A,
Mhm.
A, I, O,
E, I, O, U. How many vowel letters are here?
5.
Okay, 5 vowel letters are here. Right, now the thing is the cat. Do you know the sounds of this letter? This is A. What are the sounds in Sinhala we have? A, okay, right. Who can say a word start with a sound? A sound.
Apple.
Oh, apple, apple. Arrow, arrow.
X.
How to say with a?
I. There's no word called
Maybe you know the word coming here. Oh no, here. Also is here. Who can say a word with
Alia.
The word is started Jaruk, come on. Have you heard this word? Auntie. Yeah, the Sri Lankans used to say auntie, but it is wrong. It's auntie. What is the correct word? Auntie. Now stop saying auntie. Okay? What do you have to say? Auntie. Okay. Do you guys have aunties?
No.
Nandalana?
Yes.
Don't have
Even me.
Oh,
We call them in Nanda.
in Sinhala, yeah. For both Nanda and Punchi, we have to say auntie. Do not say auntie. You know, there is a word called anti. Anti means prativiruddha. Anti means prativiruddha. Sinhala.
Antivirus like that.
Yeah, yes. Antivirus, antibiotic.
Anti what?
Yeah, anti-prati, okay? So remember, do not call them anti. What is the correct word? Auntie. Alright. I can't remember a word with Alright. Then let's move for E. What are the sounds E carries?
Carries.
What are the sounds?
Carries.
No! What is this? Hey. And there is another one also. E. Alright. Who can say an example? Elephant. Okay. Elephant.
Elbow.
Albert comes here. Elbow. Yes, elbow. Okay. Chenuka. Come on. Chenuka. This time Chenuka, okay? Say me a word with E sound. E sound. Come on. A bird with E sound. Come on. No? You learn that language. It starts with E. What we learn here? What is the language we speak? Chanuka. What is the language we speak today? Is this Sinhala?
No, teacher.
Then what is the language today?
English.
English. Very good. See? English. It starts with E sound. Okay. Senu Tendinut, what is your example? Huh? Igloo. No. It goes with this. Igloo. And what is this word? Egg. What is the sound? A-O-E. Egg. A. What is the sound, Chanuka? A. Alright. So what is the next body we have here? Who is the next body we have? E. Oh, sorry. I. Right? So the basic sound is this one. Ooh. E.
That's a big one.
Alright. And there is a second sound. We also use this I sound. We use it. I. Okay? Right. Now come up with an example. E. Yes, Tinut. Yes, come on. You were raising your hand. We have an example. Yes, come on.
Yeah, we can't hear you.
Yeah.
Take the mic near you. Can you continue to take the mic near you?
Igloo. Yes, igloo. Correct, igloo. Wow. Chanuka, do you have another word? Goes with I? There is an animal. Have you heard iguana?
Iguana, yes.
Iguana. Have you heard Chanuka? Sentinel? All?
Teacher, I am afraid of iguanas.
Yes, let's go with I. This is very famous. Everyone loves this I word. What is?
Ice.
Cream. Yum. Yummy. Do you love ice cream?
Yes, teacher, I like soya ice cream.
Wow.
I like soya.
Alright. So who is the next buddy we have here?
Oh,
What is it sound?
ow.
Sound is
Oh.
This is my O, okay? Not the. Okay. Alright. There are lots of words with O. Everybody has to say 2 words.
Ow.
Sorry? Did you say
Owl.
Owl?
Owl.
Senu Tandiru to almost say owl.
Yeah, I understand.
They say owl. Okay. Chanu,
I say
come on. Not I say, I said. It is completed, past action, I said. Okay? Come on, Chanuka, come on. 2 words with O.
Orange.
Orange. Look at the board. See, we have words here. Even the octopus. Wow, perfect. Come on. Yes, Senu Tandiru says orange.
The odd.
Odd. Yes, odd.
Open. All.
Yes, Chanuka.
Open.
Hotel.
Nah. Open.
Wow, there are lots of words with
Teacher,
O.
teacher, oven.
Oven. Yes. See. Oh, good point. That means O has another sound. Oven.
Oven.
Oven. We say oven, not oven. Do we pronounce this like oven?
No.
No, we call it oven. Very good. Thank you so much, Mevinu. Okay?
My friend.
Alright. By a mistake, you did a help to me. Right. Okay. Yes.
I say lot of words.
You have sent me Pute. Orange. Owl.
Organ.
Organ. Yes. Lots of words. Right. Okay. Then the last friend. Who is that? You. What are the sounds this one has? You know? It has oo. Sound. It has a sound. Only two sounds. Okay? Oo and Now you have to bring examples. Ooh, examples. It's a bit hard to find a word start with U. Uganda. It's a country. Uganda.
What?
Uganda, yes. Umbrella is it a start with U? Oh, you. But I'm talking about the sounds.
I know.
Let me say it's like monkeys. Okay. There are lots of words that start with sound. Umbrella is one. Another. Who is the male word of auntie? Male word of auntie?
Uncle.
Uncle also start with this sound and you. Uncle. Alright.
Teacher.
Yes, honey.
Teacher. I know country. Uruguay. FIFA wins.
Yes, I've heard that. That's perfect. Okay, guys. Now, remember, if you hear a word start with these vowel sounds, okay, you have to put an. Alright? Yes, you can't say you have to say an. Right. Let's look at this word. It's different. Okay? A little bit different word. What is this? What is this? How to read this word? Hour. So what?
Hour.
I think you know the meaning of hour in Sinhala pair. Okay?
Yeah.
So what we say? O-N. Hour. Chanuka, what do you say? O-N pute? Hour, O-N hour. Mevinu says Senuddinut, what do you say? Yes. Come on. Hour, O-N hour. What is the correct one? Twin says N. Chenuka, what is your answer?
Also N. N.
Maybe you change your answer. Okay, it's okay. Last time. In last minute.
Okay, N.
Why we say N now? Correct answer is N. And why? Sound is what? A sound. Right? So do not look at the letters. Do not look at the letters. Read the word and find the sound. Okay? Remember? Good. Another example. Look at this. What is my sentence?
Universe.
Oh.
University.
University. You know what is university? Campus. Now tell me or N.
N. N.
N.
N.
Chenuk and Mevinu says N. Twins. I can't hear. N.
N.
N. Okay. All of you are. Yes. Look at this word is university. 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 It means this U has another sound called Y. It is not a vowel sound. Okay. I thought that. Why didn't you tell? If this is university or university, we can put N. Okay. But this is university. So we have to use a. Is this lesson clear for you?
Yes, please.
Right?
Yes, please.
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Hands up.
Chanuka?
Up. Hands
Good.
up.
Alright. I think then you can move for the activity.